Your digital product should not try to solve everything. It should solve one clear problem for one clear customer. That focus makes the product easier to create, easier to explain, and easier for the buyer to understand. When beginners start building digital products, they often add more lessons, features, and information because they believe more content means more value. But customers usually want a useful path from their current problem to a better result. Today, let us look at why simple products can be easier for customers to understand, trust, and use. The common mistake is starting with the product instead of the customer problem. Beginners think about what they can create, what tools they can use, and how much information they can include. They may build a large product before discovering whether the customer actually needs all of it. Another problem is vague positioning. If the customer cannot quickly understand what the product helps them achieve, marketing becomes difficult. A focused product gives the customer a simple reason to pay attention. The first mantra is simplicity. Start by understanding the core principle behind the product. The customer should immediately see why this part matters to their situation. The second mantra is value. Connect the product directly to the person who will use it. Their needs, frustrations, and goals should shape what you include and what you leave out. The third mantra is usability. Build around the problem or business requirement that creates the strongest reason to act. Avoid adding material simply because you know it. The fourth mantra is trust. Make sure the product creates a meaningful result or business value. The customer should be able to see what becomes better after using it. For example, a short checklist that solves one urgent problem may be more useful to a beginner than a huge library containing hundreds of lessons. This does not mean a digital product must be tiny. It means every important part should have a purpose. If a lesson, template, or feature does not help the customer move toward the promised result, question whether it belongs. A focused product also becomes easier to improve. Customer feedback tells you what is useful, what is confusing, and what is missing. You can then strengthen the product instead of constantly adding more information. The best product is not necessarily the largest product. It is the product that gives the right customer a clear path to a valuable result. Start with one problem, build one useful solution, test it with real customers, then improve it based on what you learn. That approach reduces your risk and gives your digital business a much stronger foundation. Number one, identify the one clear problem your product will solve. Number two, define exactly who needs that solution. Number three, remove information that does not support the main result. Number four, make the promised outcome simple and easy to understand. Number five, test the product with real customers before expanding it. Keep the product focused on customer value. A strong digital product has a clear customer, a clear problem, and a clear result. Do not confuse more information with more value. Build the simplest, useful solution, test it with customers, and improve it from real feedback. If you want to learn how to turn your knowledge, experience, or passion into a 100% home based digital business, I have created a free masterclass for you. In this masterclass, I explain the complete step by step process from choosing your niche and creating your business model to using AI and automated systems to build your online business. You don't need a big office, a team of employees, or a technology background. If you want to see how the complete model works, join my free masterclass. The link is in the description. And if this video helped you, subscribe to the channel because I will keep sharing practical strategies to help you build your digital business.